Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be replacing the trunk struts in our Dodge Challenger. The word on the street is that when the trunk is popped, it barely opens, and then when you open the trunk, it will stay up unless it's slightly windy out, in which case it blows the trunk closed. So, let's see if there's any truth to that, and then fix it. So here's the Challenger. See what happens. It goes up a bit. I have to open it anyway. Yeah. That stays up. There's a calm day out. What happens if we blow some wind on it? It stays up, but maybe a stronger wind would blow it down. So we'll take his word for it and replace them. These are the original ones. So this is going to be a pretty easy and straightforward deal. There's a little retaining spring, if you will, clamp holding that on, and ditto for the bottom on both sides. So let's replace them. Okay, boys, and it's as easy as that. So I do recommend you have either another person or something to prop your trunk up when you do this. So it's a little bit easier. Now, how easy is this thing to close now? Well, there is a bit of resistance. It's closed. See what happens when we pop the trunk. Oh, it opens much more. It takes off on its own pretty much. And again, a little more resistance when closing. So, alright, boys, I'd say that's a successful repair. So, nice, easy job. And in our next video on this thing, we're doing the same thing on the front, only instead of replacing them, we're going to be adding some. Because this is a prop rod type, and we are going to upgrade it. So, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.